gonna go ahead and just start with the front one because it should be easier. But just by looking at them, it's actually noticeably smaller. Did I get the wrong one? It says 145/76, 145/76. So on paper it's the same size, but comparing them, it's actually a lot smaller. But I mean, it's too late now. It's already here. So all right, so this idea worked with my go-kart tires, but I did a trailer instead of a trailer hitch, so it was flat. But we'll see if this still works. Wouldn't be a bad idea to invest in a debeater. Oh, there you go. Perfect. Alright, these should be the Amazon spoons. For an ATV, I think. Of course, all I did was watch like a 5-second video how to do it. So if it comes out, so if it looks like I don't know what I'm doing, it's probably because I don't know what I'm doing. This is what the kit comes with. Oh man, it's all wet. Unboxing. ATVs, so that's why they're so small. Probably too small, but there you go. For my go-kart wheel and tires, it came with like a tool. And it's, so I don't use the spoon for that. Just rip it out. Let's see. If you have any tips, let me know. Tips and tricks, by the way. I don't know if soap would make things easier. Oh, thank you. Gosh. We're gonna try without soap first. Huh? Bitch. Hey, eso. Get out of here. Get out of here. Getting closer. There you go. So last night I was able to finish up the rear tire. Same process as the first one. It does have this wider spacer rim, but it was at most a little bit more trouble, but it was the same thing. Tires are a lot smaller than I expected it to be. I think next time around I'll go bigger, but that won't be until if I had the rear suspension. Before I test drive it, I do want to do unpopular choice, but put the stock exhaust back on. This one's just too loud for this area. People just start calling park rangers and whatnot. So first I'm going to turn it on like this, just so you guys can see the difference. I don't know if you'll be able to actually tell on the video, but just so you guys can see. So I went ahead and removed the heat shield. Now the exhaust does fit under the seat perfectly, except it does hit this oil catch can tube. So I'm thinking get a different, maybe like a 90-degree bend for this brass right here. Let's see if we can find something that'll work. So the engine, or whatever this part is called, actually has 2 ports. I just swapped it around. So before it was right here, and this Allen piece was right here. Someone let me know if it doesn't work like that, or if it has to be on this one. But other than that, the exhaust fits perfectly. There you go. Maybe I could zip tie this that way. It looks like it's touching, but it's not. So we'll go ahead and turn it on. the same way. But I'll try as often as I can. We're back. I wasn't expecting that much water, but the tires did great. I love them. I do wish they were taller, but right now they did really nice. Filter's all wet. It has like a double filter. I'm sure the bottom one. Let me see. Take off my gloves. Oh yeah, this is a little too wet for my liking. I'll probably end up getting some kind of like netting, right? It's like a netting you put over it. I don't expect to go through the water too much. Is the motor jacked? I don't know. I'll just buy another one. But yeah, it was solid. I had fun. That's about it for now. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.